Morning, everyone. The New England Association of Schools and Colleges visited us a few weeks ago. We are in a renewal process for our accreditation this year, and as such, there will be a survey that will go out in a few weeks, and it'd be really helpful if you could take a few minutes to fill that out. So more information will come in an email, but just wanted to give everyone a heads up on that. Next week is homecoming week. We're going to have a flag football game on Thursday, 9/29. Our homecoming bonfire will be Friday, 9:30, and the homecoming dance will be Saturday, 10/1. We have student ID photos on 9/29 with makeups on November 2nd. And just so everyone is aware, Monday, October 3rd is going to be a white day, and the reason for that is because Friday, October 7th is a teacher workshop day. So whenever we have a week where a day is taken for some reason, we will try to preserve the block days and put those in place of the Spartan days. So that's why we're making that switch from the 3rd being a Spartan day to being a white day. All right, I hope everyone's doing well. Go PA and have a great day.